Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with serious stuff. But anyways, tomorrow is the day we decorate the church. We're not gonna see that in another video here. I'm gonna drop it in somewhere. But I am tired. What time now, babe? The time is 10:32, and we're gonna wake up. I don't know what time we wake up tomorrow, but the girl we're gonna do with makeup I come 12 o'clock. So we're gonna have some time to sleep. AC at work, which is good. Guys, and I love my earring. It's so cute. I don't know if I see it. But yeah, my mommy, they're like 6 rooms away from us, right, babe? I think. Yeah, she the way down there, so, and she and her baby them asleep, and me and Jason asleep, my sister and her daughter asleep. I'm tired bad, but this vlog is to let you guys see the whole process of, you know, the decorating and all of that. So yeah, tomorrow the big day. I cannot wait. I know me go want me emotional bad. Good night, guys. Like I have a TV? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Um, Today is the day. The wedding is 3 o'clock. The lady we're gonna do makeup I come at 12 o'clock. Guys, but I like my room, if I run out of my room. Cause we never really get the room them close, but mommy are like 6 rooms away from us. This morning when we wake up, the AC I drip on the table with just the camera there. I'm like, no, this not happen. So when the man come, I gotta tell the man, so listen, I wanted to change our room because that not gonna work out because we're there so until sometime. Anyways, we're there. It's early in the morning because you don't know my mother Nanga can't sleep. My mother wake up from way and she come around here come wait. Well, my sister woke up early, so.
Morning, vlogger, a vlog star.
You talk like Amari.
Who is Amari?
Nico mash up
Yeah,
my life.
man! Yeah, come on.
No, I don't want to company with me. Guys, for everybody who come from Clarendon, know exactly where me there. And it's close to home, so you know around here so that'd be convenient. Oh man, where your hair pretty? I can't wait to see your hair go look.
But you think me hair drop off? Yeah, drop off, man. No long like one time. Because I'm here to see that.
We ain't
I'm
there.
going to massage my foot.
You're miserable.
Cream. Let me see that. Let me see that.
You can see what?
Yeah, just do girl.
Look up.
I want to watch you for that.
Guys, I'm not done get ready, but see I'm look here so far. Sorry. Yeah. I put on my accessories now and I love this cute little earring. Come. My cousin. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Mother. Look at that. Wow. Mommy, I look pretty. Jason, you want it? Why bubble gum? What about it? My mom, my best friend, guys. Look at my mom, the best friend.
Stand up, please. Left arm mix.
It's not me.
No weapon formed against them prosper. They hold your wife against her. We're going to pray. Mr. Ricketts, again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you the newest couple for 2020, Mr. and Mrs. Ricketts. Congratulations.
That's the end of it. Yeah, I know. Angel, why you couldn't record some more? But guys, I wouldn't even understand. I was up and down. I'm home now. I'm tired. I'm glad to reach home now so I can just rest. The day passed and gone. It was amazing. Yes, if I ask, yes, me cry because I was emotional, but I just couldn't record no more. I did want to put in like the clips them where them did the flowers girl, them did come in, the mini bride, the ring boy, but the music. You don't always hear me complain about music in the background. So yeah, that happened. Somebody have left out the clip there. And it was a nice song, well-known song. So no, I can't play those games. But we know how flowers girl do them thing on, I know how ring boy do them stuff, and them did cute. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna put them in because every time I put in them in my video, it's like YouTube always turn off the comment section. And I don't want that. I just want the vlogger for being a nice little vlog. You will see them like in the background, but I not show them up too much for everybody where I wonder like where them there. But them they look pretty. The ring boy, the flowers girl, the mini bride. Yeah, them they look nice. What else? Yeah, I just could record them more. So hope enjoy them little clips here what I put together. Just want to say for everybody what did I say, Andrew, you gotta record your mommy wedding. It's just nice, simple and nice. Nothing too extra. It was a private wedding for everybody. We're gonna ask yes. Or the 15 we could have go. We have to abide by the rules them and all of that. And my mother not gonna break no rules, so and she can't, she put off the wedding like 4 months now. And she said, you know what? I just go ahead and just do it with the 15. So yeah, that's how it happened. Now my sister did a good job with the decoration. She bought everything and sent them down. So my mother did have everything for her wedding. Every single thing. From the cup to the cake thing to everything. But no reception. Reception for keep when this whole pandemic, cool down and stuff like that. So we can't really set no date for that. My mama just sit down and listen to see when are the best time for do it. But the wedding did alright, and yeah. So the 15 away, like, just our friend and our little family, and that's it, the pastor. Guys, I never did the online for like 3 days. Thursday night, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I just on and off. So for everybody who did a message me and I try to reach out to me, I tell them I did up and down. And not only that, rain did a fall. Last night when I did edit the video here, I come in, turn on the TV and I watch some videos. Because I not like missing off of YouTube. I want to see when who me love, my favorite them. I want to see when them post. I just did it on my eyelashes. So I don't want to go there like 16 hours after, or 1 day after. I don't know about but I saw me feel. I want to do that like, I rather 3 hours late. But when me late like 1 day, it bother me. So last night I did really just catch up on videos. Not even read no message, nothing. Just dep on YouTube. I spend most of my time on YouTube, by the way. So yeah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.